Good evening. I hope that, by now, you have viewed the Frank's World TV holiday special. If not, you can click to my right to be taken to it right now. There are a number of apps new to the Windows Store that I would like you to be aware of. Most of these are educational in nature and rather fun if I do say so myself. Education is very important, you know. I encourage all young pups to attend obedience classes. But if obedience classes are not your cup of tea, then may I suggest the following apps. Stack the States. This is a great app for kids and is very helpful in learning US geography. You know, that former colony of ours. There's also a companion Stack the Countries app that is also free for a limited time. I think it'd be best for ages 5 and up. Next we move on to PBS Wild Kratz. It contains 3 fun science-based games from the PBS series. Good for ages 3 and up. There is a free trial available. For some real fun, may I recommend Endless Alphabet. It is a very cute game to help with spelling and vocabulary. And you simply must see it for yourself to understand why. Good for ages 3 and up. The free version includes 55 words, which is enough to get you started. I do realize that many schools are on break for the holidays, but here is a chance to start next year off right with a great and free homework planner called My Homework. It is probably best for students in middle school and high school. Of course, if you are feeling philanthropic, check out Ed Backer and see how you can help schools in need. Think of it like Kickstarter for education. Groovy. And now, for the grand finale, the NORAD Santa Tracker. Use the app or the website, always a nice way to ring in the holiday. It contains loads of videos and some small games to keep the tiny tots occupied through the big night. This one is best for ages 3 and up. Naturally, you'll want to download this one straight away, as Santa's big night is coming soon. Now, after you download these apps, I kindly ask that you review them. It is important that we encourage app makers when they do something right and provide constructive criticism when they fail to hit the mark. Thank you. Good night and may you have a wonderful holiday. Woof. Woof. As you can see, I am out of practice barking.